Greetings from the Sunshine State. The day I created this ocean wave, I also created this blue planet using the same colors. I'll be using the same intro to show you the colors I used for the blue planet. My cloud mix consists of 2 parts of the Behr in the ultra pure white, 1 part Vallejo pearl medium. I'll put everything in the description box below as well. 2 parts American Floetrol. You know what that looks like. I didn't use the Satin Enamels, I'll take that away. And I used a dash of GAC 800 and some water to thin. So this is my mixture here, my cloud mix. And for my colors, get my camera strap out of the way, I'm using Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. I love this color. It's more of a teal than cobalt blue, I think, but I love that metallic color. And then I'm experimenting again using another satin enamel of DecoArt, but this is the, oh, where's the color? Let me see if I can find the lid. Dark Denim, it's called. Dark Denim. So what I did was I thinned it out with Floetrol and water, and I'll add that as a color and see what happens. And then I'm using Liquitex Bright Aqua Green, another gorgeous color. And this is a blue from Sherwin Williams Color Place. I have the can here. Not that you can see anything on it, but the color is, I saw it a moment ago, oh, Blue Chip. It's 6959, the code, color code. So those are my colors. And again, I'll be pouring on an LP record, and we'll see what happens. you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. There's a lot of interest in this one. This is gorgeous, the wispy blue lines in there. There's some bubbles, lacing type of bubbles. Feather effects. This is really interesting here. I wonder if I can stretch that out some more and get rid of some of this. Did it. So I kept that beautiful lacing or feather effects there and stretched out some of these interesting effects. So it looked like gemstones. And then there's lacing here, feather effects here, a bit of cloud effects there. I'm not going to touch it anymore. So this is the second cloud pour I did today. I really like this one. I think I could add this one to my atmospheric albums series of planets with atmosphere. That dark denim satin enamel is a very beautiful deep blue color. And actually it did create some type of lacing with the satin enamel, Behr satin enamel. This is interesting in here what happened with the, I think it's with the metallic cobalt blue. Beautiful feather effects. And I really like these feather effects here. Pretty subtle. You can see the depth. It's like they go into outer space or under in the deep blue sea. know what you think in the comment section below. So that's it for today. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.